So here's the deal. I am going to show you how you are going to make $1,000 this Christmas for absolutely free. That means no money out of pocket, no investment needed. I'm going to show you how you can do this. All you need to do is to watch this video until the end.
Making money online is easy.
Just one simple disclaimer. It is not going to be passive income. You see, you only pay for stuff with two things. You either pay for them with money or with your time. So with that being said, by default, you're going to need to be consistent and put in the time into making this $1,000 by Christmas. Alright, so with that disclaimer out of the way, let me introduce you to the world of drop shipping. Alright, right now drop shippers are currently printing money from their phones and from their laptops. Whoever said that drop shipping was dead, they only wanted all of the bag for themselves. Because let me tell you, with online shopping on the increase and on the rise, especially with social media, how can drop shipping be dead? But I'm going to show you how you are going to cut just a little piece of that pie for yourself by making $1,000, just a simple small amount, $1,000 for this Christmas. We are in the season of giving, and that means someone has to be buying those gifts to give. Now I'm going to show you how to source viral products for free. The very first thing you need to do is to go onto TikTok, and I want you to search in the search bar TikTok finds, or TikTok made me buy it, or Amazon finds. Now these keywords are crucial for you to find winning, trending, viral products so that it's easier for you to make your $1,000 in sales. Once you type into TikTok your keywords, I want you to scroll until you see a product that has gone viral and is no later than 1 month old. I want you to take a look into the comment section of this viral video, because this is going to be very important. You want to see the engagement that is taking place in the comment section, and specifically you want to look for if persons are asking about the link to buy this product, if they're asking about the price to buy this product. This is a good signal that persons are interested in purchasing the product from whoever it is. It says, do you accept PayPal payment method in your store? All right, you see up top here that they left their link in the bio. When I clicked on the link that's in the bio, this was their store, and this is the product that they are advertising or promoting in their TikTok video. Now, if I click on the link, you can see that they're always promoting their stuff on TikTok. These are all the product videos that they have made. And this is the product that we were just looking at in the video. This is a drop shipper's website, and this is easy to make. Okay, guys? At the end of this video, this is what I am hoping each and every one of you that has viewed this video will achieve: to create viral videos for your products, so that persons who would like to purchase those products can go ahead and do so. And this is not something that you're going to do only for Christmas. I just want you to make $1,000 this Christmas, but this is something that you can do full time and make millions from. This is just the beginning. Now, we are going to source this product. So this was the product, and the name of this product is glass spherin. We're going to try to find this product on AliExpress. Now I want you to go over to AliExpress to see if that product is listed on AliExpress and to see how much it is going to cost. All right, so this product is called the glowing glass ball. Here it is on AliExpress. Now, this was the exact same product that they were promoting in their video that they made and put up on TikTok. Here it is. And they were selling it for around $20. And here it is. It's being sold for 99 cents right now. This product. Let's say that you want to sell this product as well as this drop shipper on here. All right, so now that you know how to find viral products so that you can sell quickly to make your money, and you also know where to go to find these products at a lower cost so that you can sell and make a profit, the next step in this process is to find a website to list your product on so that you can have a link to sell your products so that persons can have a website to go to buy your product. There are so many different websites to choose from, both paid websites like Shopify and free websites like PayHip. But remember, you are making this money with absolutely $0 out of pocket. So we're going to go with the free website, and it's going to be PayHip. Now, PayHip is absolutely free forever. It's the best option for you. And for your information, you can do so many things with PayHip, like digital marketing, membership programs, coaching programs, etc., etc., all for free. When you make a sale, they will take 5% of that sale. And honestly, that is 100% fair because Shopify, you pay for Shopify on a monthly basis. Plus, they still take a percentage out of every single sale that you make. So, PayHip is one of the best platforms for beginner dropshippers. It's like a hidden gem, it's a hidden secret. It is so good, guys. Let me tell you, PayHip is the way to go, and I am not sponsored by PayHip, but I also built my store using PayHip, and it is absolutely free. Okay, so now you have your free website. You'll need to start uploading your products, and it's really easy to do. First, you'll need to sign up for a PayHip account. All right, so it says here on the PayHip website, sell a digital download, courses, coaching, and more from one simple platform. And it says enter your email address here, get started for free. Now, I have already created my PayHip store, so I am just going to navigate over to PayHip to my store so that you can see how easy it is to upload a product. I'm actually going to do it so that you can see. So I am going to add a new product here. I'm going to select on a physical product because I'm selling physical products in my store. I'm going to add my title, the price. Now, I saw that on AliExpress. It was, this item was selling for 99 cents. And remember that the competitor was selling this. This is Jamaican dollars, but this is going to be for 25 US dollars. So the competitor was selling it for around 25 US dollars. I too am going to sell it for maybe $24.99. And then I will have already screenshot my product image, and then I will upload it onto my store right here. I'll add the description for my product right here. I'll add the weight for my product right here. This product has a different variation, sizes, color, whatever it is. I'll add that right here, and then I'll click visible so that everyone can see this product, and then add my product. That's how you add product to PayHip. It takes literally less than 5 minutes to add your product on PayHip. The very next step is to go ahead and add your payment method, which should be your PayPal. All right, now it's time to promote your business. And what better to promote your business by utilizing TikTok, of course. Now, the very same way you see this person create a simple product video and upload it to TikTok, that is the exact same thing that you're going to do for each and every single product that you decide to sell. And to create videos like these, all you need is a free editing tool called CapCut. You should know about CapCut by now, but just in case you do not know, let me show you. CapCut is free. They have a paid version, but the free version is free forever. And trust me, you get amazing quality tools to edit your video with. Okay? So once you start editing your videos with CapCut, and when I say edit videos, all you have to do is, for example, you just find these products here, you take a screenshot of these products, and you just edit them into simple moving picture style videos. Or you could find some product that actually has videos so that you can screen record those videos and then upload those videos to CapCut, where you will edit them in an engaging and a nice engaging way so that persons become interested in purchasing the product based off of your video. And that's it. That's literally how you will be making your money this Christmas. If you're not able to locate a video on AliExpress, you can go to another website that's called Temu, and they always have videos. They always have a video. So let me type that product in. It's the glowing here it is. Just like I said, guys, if you can't find the video on AliExpress, you will definitely find the video of the product on Temu. All you have to do is to screen record this, upload it to CapCut, edit it for free, and upload it to TikTok. If you consistently do this for 1 to 2 times daily with about 5 to 10 products and then upload them to PayHip and set your price, make sure that you put a healthy profit margin on there for you to make your profits from. All right. So down to the T, down to the meat of the matter. Whenever someone finds your video, whenever they click on the link that you will leave in the bio or leave in the comments, whenever they click on that link and go to your website and they purchase your product that you uploaded, say you uploaded that the product is for $24, right? Once they purchase that product from your store for $24, you will then take a part of that money, which is the 99 cents, and you will go over to AliExpress. You will purchase this product from AliExpress. You will put their shipping information in AliExpress, and you will ship the product to your customers from AliExpress, and you will pocket the $23.99 that the customer had paid you, and that's it. That is literally how they are making millions of dollars, because they do this on repeat every single day. Some persons are actually making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Start your drop shipping journey today. This is your permission to start. This is your reason to start. You see how easy it is. And once you start making money, you can always start doing paid advertisement. And now that is where the bulk of the millions will come in for you. But if you want to start with absolutely $0 for this Christmas, then nothing will stop you, only yourself. And don't let yourself stop you from making that money, because you will be smiling from ear to ear. That is the end of my video. But guys, if you want to see more ways on how you can get money, watch my video on how you can get a high paying job working in social media. Thank you, and until next time, stay tuned and God bless.